Dr. Rambi Prasad. I am an anaplastologist. I customize and design silicone prosthesis, or you can say silicone artificial limbs, or a silicone cosmetic restoration for those who lost their body parts by amputation due to any reason, whether it is accident or any disease like cancer, gangrene, or leprosy, or it may be the diabetic neuropathic foot. In case of burns also, some people loses their body parts, whether it is fire burn, electric, or acid attacks. And sometimes some childs having birth defects of ear, which is also known as a microtia, or hand fingers, or toe, or foot birth defects. Our product is very much different from other in terms of quality, prices, and services. We use 100% medical grade raw material, which is one of the world best raw material. As you can see in this video, our silicone foot, or a fingers, or ear, or vital prosthesis, which is looking very naturally, as this is not an high definition video. When you will see physically, you will be surprised to differentiate with the natural and artificial one. We assure you for matching up to 100% with the normal size. So friend, please do consider our product and services. Please do not go for any cheaper or untrained person product, because it might harms you in future due to reactions or any pressure points or a compression of the blood vessels. For more information, you can contact our 24/7 helpline number, which is WhatsApp and calling number also. +91 is our country code, and the mobile number is 9910213766, and our website address is trulifehealthcareIndia.com. Okay, thank you for listening and watching.